I've got this media interview in response to the special motion dated 26 September 2024 by the Honorable Mutuse for the removal from office by way of impeachment of Gachagua, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. I have been invited to appear in Parliament in the National Assembly tomorrow at 5 p.m. and I want to confirm to the honorable members and the Speaker and the people of Kenya that I'll avail myself at that time and prosecute my defense for 2 hours, and I trust the honorable members will be kind enough to allow me to respond in silence. On 9th of August 2022, Kenyans woke up early to go and vote in their president and deputy president. And out of the millions of Kenyans who turned up, 7.2 million Kenyans decided willingly that Dr. William Ruto should be elected as president and Gachagua as the deputy president. I think it's only fair when members of parliament decide that they want to remove the deputy president from office, the people who elected Gachagua as deputy president hear his side of the story. I think it's only fair. And I thought it's also respectful to the voters to have the first opportunity to hear from me before the honorable members, because they are the ones who elected me to office. Article 1 of the Kenya Constitution says that the power, the sovereignty of this great nation rests with the people, and Parliament